Hey guys, it's Julie E, and I want to talk to you today about one of my favorite tools, the Quantum Scalar Wave Laser. There's 3 different kinds of light in this. It works on the surface, it works deep into the tissue, and deep into your bones. And every time you put the laser on your body, remember light travels almost 170,000 miles per second. So in every 4-minute program, you've gone around the solar system and back. And therefore you have completely changed your body, and that is why healing is limitless. Let's talk about the programs on the laser. To power it on, I've taught you already that you just push the star button and then you push to the right until the light goes on, and that's how you use it. But when you push to the right, it says running program Unwind. And I use Unwind at least 90% of the time, because think about how stressed up and raveled and tense we all are. We just need to unwind. So you can use it on this every single time. But then once you're a little more proficient at your laser, you might be curious. So you can go, when the light's on, you can go backwards 1, and you can scroll down. It says Quantum, Relieve, Pleo, Activate, Rejuvenate. There's a bunch of different programs. Just think of this like a radio station. Just try one. And once you're on the name of the program, just hit to the right until the light goes on and just use it. If that doesn't feel good, switch to a different program or put it on a different spot of your body. There's really no right or wrong. The laser is always going to heal your body and reprogram your cells regardless of where you use it. It's just a matter of how fast and you get relaxed and how much your body's healing, because you're dropping into what we call still point, which is the space between the breaths. It's the calm, happy place that you feel at the end of a massage or a yoga class. That's what the laser does to you. Healing happens when you're in still point. Healing doesn't happen when you're in mind chatter. So just test out some of the programs. It really doesn't matter which one you use. Test it out on your body, and you will definitely have a healthy day.